Visitors welcomed the spring equinox on Thursday with an arms-up ritual at the Mexican Pyramid of the Sun to refresh energies as they left the winter to move on to the spring. Despite the equinox took place on March 19, according to NASA, visitors held the traditional ritual on Thursday, donned in white and raising their arms to the sun facing the majestic pyramid of the sun to receive the first rays of spring. The astronomical event takes place twice a year when the sun crosses the celestial equator, resulting in days and nights of equal length. In March, it marks the start of the spring in the Northern Hemisphere and autumn in the southern one.
The sun equinox is to renew energies. It's beautiful because you renew your energy and you feel your body full of this energy to move on. Then it's beautiful.
It's very cool, especially to be here on this special day, especially with our tour guide who's telling us all about it. It's really amazing. I just wish we could go up on it, but I understand. So, feeling really special to be here on this day.
Says spectacular. I do believe in energy a lot. Even though I am Colombian, I also think nature is a single one here in Mexico or wherever you are. So you can feel the special energy. To me, it was a refill, and I honestly think having had the opportunity today to share this energy that will be very useful for me to do a lot of things.
The ritual to renew the energy was born in the 70s in the New Age spiritual wave, but it's not related with the Mexican Asian practice, the Mexico Autonomous National University informed in a statement. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. If you found value in what you watched, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment down below. We love hearing from you and engaging in conversations. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on these notifications so you never miss out on our future content. And of course, a massive shout out to our incredible community for your unwavering support. It truly means the world to us. As we wrap up today's adventure, remember that we are always open to your suggestions and feedback. What topic would you like us to cover next? Let us know and we'll do our best to make it happen. Until next time, stay awesome, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.
En la tierra.